What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We have a very exciting one for you today. We're going to be installing a new product that we haven't used before. It's a mortarless stone veneer that's going to go on this wall. They say it's super easy to install and it's going to be really fast.
We'll see about that.
Make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned. So here we are on the deck side of this wall. It's going to be a 6-foot wall on this side, and on the other side it's going to go all the way down to the ground. We wanted to keep it separate from the house so that we didn't have to flash into that, but to give it rigidity, and it's super strong. We have these double 2x4s going all the way through to the ground and then braced back to the deck. We're gonna have plywood on this side, and then over top of the plywood, we need to do a layer of house wrap and a 30-pound felt on that. So we'll get to that next. That's gonna waterproof everything, and then the mortarless stone just goes right over that, and we'll see how fast it goes up. You got it on upside down.
Oh.
Just kidding. We're putting on our first layer here, house wrap. And you want to start at the bottom. You want to overlap it, shingle it as you go down, so if any water gets on here, bing bong. So on top of this, we'll have some 30-pound felt, roofing paper, tar paper, roofing felt, felt paper, whatever you want to call it. That's going to go on top, not only as an extra layer of protection, but you also want that black felt on the outside, so any gaps between your panels, it's just all black, you won't see it. Oh, hi.
Hey.
How you liking the new product?
Pretty cool.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's big. It's thick. But the idea here was that this was short here, so I wanted to shift it over a little bit.
So you're just gonna cut this end instead of cutting off that end?
No, I put a little piece in there to shift it over more. I already notched this piece for that. So I'm gonna redo that. What's up?
Alright, I don't know. You need me for anything?
No.
Alright, perfect.
Okay.
Alright, Catherine, we gotta get to work. We gotta start on this side while they're doing this side so we can get this done. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
What you doing, Sean?
I'm marking out the wall here, putting our stud layout on here. It's 16 inches on center. We need to make sure that as many screws as possible are going into a stud, and I'm gonna check the instructions one more time, but I believe one needs to go into a stud, 3 screws overall. As long as one of them's in a stud, you're good.
Was this a union job?
Boom.
Bing bong.
So that's pretty much it. You can see this one, we can only get one into a stud, but we got that sunk really good. And then we just add 2 more screws and we're good to go. Catherine, what's next?
So next up, now that we've got our first row of stone in, we want to put a little bit of PL glue on the flange of the panel, because the next panel is going to only be obviously nailed in, screwed in on the flange. So the next row will have a nice little bond at the bottom of the panel.
So we're only laying about 8 feet of this here, and that'll go up 3 feet high, because right here we're gonna have a little bar top counter space action going on. So we're gonna run this line straight up for about 3 feet and then continue it across, and that's gonna create the space where we'll frame out our bar.
A bar!
Yay!
Yay! Gotta get more pieces
First
out.
impressions?
It looks great.
Installation?
Pretty simple. No complaints.
All right, so what do you say we race Josh and Jose?
I like it.
Okay, let's check in on them. I think we got this in the bag. We're having a competition.
Okay.
What do you think?
What does loser do?
Gets fired.
High stakes.
The winner wins a free Premier Outdoor Living t-shirt.
Oh, sick.
All right, let's go. Who would you put your money on?
On.
Me and Catherine versus Jose and Josh.
The playing field kind of evens out. They have a good jump on their wall, but they have more square footage.
Yep.
But they're a little bit more seasoned in it than you two.
Yep.
To where you two have a smaller square footage wall,
We're
but
just jumping into it.
you're just jumping into it, but you're even losing a lot more square footage because the bar's going there. But you're not strong at all. You can't lift the panels. Catherine can. So I feel like it will be a tight race. And stay tuned to see the winner.
Woo! Getting close here. Getting very close. Josh,
What?
you better hurry up on your side.
No.
It's getting close. Catherine, we obviously absolutely destroyed them in the competition, and I wanted to give it some time. I didn't want to rub it in too much, so they've been cooling off for a couple days, licking their wounds.
Crying their freaking eyes out.
But who's finishing that side?
What, over there? What? I mean, we got, you know, we got like 99% of it done. And that was, the finish line was 99% of the way for the competition. But now we're finishing it up completely, and we just are left with tiny little pieces that we need to put in here. So we're ripping down this stone, we're sitting it in there, we're just gonna put little dabs of glue on it, and we'll be good to go. And also, we wanted to keep it a complete surprise. Let me show you what this gentleman right here built.
Check it out. You won't believe your eyes.
So, Kevin, come on, check it out. We've got a custom bank of cabinets here we made with decorators, and we made custom doors, soft close hinges. Check this out. I came up with the idea, and well, me and Tony came up with the idea together, but Tony did the execution on this, and absolutely flawless. Check out the door, really nice little like raised panel, and then just like your kitchen cabinets, it's freaking beautiful. So we've got a ton of storage in here. We've got this prep space. Get all your cooking stuff ready. We're gonna have the grill right here. It's gonna be freaking dynamite. I love how this turned out, and like always, looking for new ways that we can up our game. I think we did it here. That's pretty much it for this vlog. The Adorn Stone overall, really liked the installation of this product. The color and the look of it is really nice. I was a little bit worried initially that each panel was just rectangular without that staggered interlock. I thought some of the joints might be more obvious, but when you step back and look at it, it blends in really well, looks super natural. It's a product we'll definitely be using again, and it's perfect, especially this time of year. We don't have to mix mortar, no scratch coat, no wire lath, none of that. We can just get this up on the wall after we do the plywood, the house wrap, the felt, start installing the panels. So love the product, excited to use it again. Let me know any questions that you have about it. Tune into the next vlog when we get to the patio, some more finishing touches on this deck. Check out our podcast. Link to our merch store is down in the description. And as always, make sure you hit subscribe. And until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.